Hello guys, today I will introduce you a new shape keyboard. This one. This is a package. This is left hand 35 keyboard. And as you can see, this is rainbow. You can close the light. This is not mechanical keyboard, but it's hand-feel mechanical keyboard. The keycap is suspend keycap's structure design. Metal cover sprayed oiled. Here is a handrest. White oil sprayed laser carving character never fade. Maybe you're confused why I choose 35 keys one-hand keyboard. Because if you are the laptop gamer, it's this 104 keyboard is too big for you, because if you just play FPS games, this one is very convenient for you. You just choose this one and a mouse, that's okay. If you always take laptop to play games, this model is your choice. So if you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us.